Welcome to Nano Banana Architecture 3D Rendering on Architutors, where design meets imagination, and yes, it might just blow your mind. We'll look at how a simple prompt can turn architectural projects into something spectacular. First, we've got a modern two-story house picture that I'm going to feed into Gemini. Make sure Nano Banana option is turned on, and the first line on the prompt is actually the information of the kind of image we're feeding into it. Like a photorealistic, wide-angle architectural rendering of a modern two-story house set against a spectacular night sky. Clean lines, warm glow from the windows, the kind of place you'd want to live in if you also happen to enjoy stargazing. There are variables you can change depending on the project you're working on. And now, instead of a regular night sky, this one's backed by a rainbow nebula. Swirling colors, cosmic clouds, distant stars. It's like the universe decided to be your wallpaper designer. And click Submit. The result? A house that feels grounded in reality, but lifted by imagination. Architects will appreciate the detailing, designers will love the mood, and everyone else will just say, wow. And of course, you can also check out our ebook on Architutors store that contains more than 100 detailed prompts on architecture and interior design. Link is in the video description. Now, let's scale things up. A skyscraper rising into the night sky for our second example, with every floor lit like a vertical city. Now, of course, I'm changing variable to a skyscraper building. And we can make changes to the prompt before we submit. The nebula backdrop doesn't just sit there. It wraps the tower in color, giving the whole skyline a surreal glow. It's dramatic, it's vibrant, and it shows how a single prompt can shift from cozy residential to bold urban design. This isn't just rendering, it's storytelling. The building isn't alone, it's part of a bigger cosmic stage. So whether it's a house or a skyscraper, Nano Banana takes your prompt and turns it into a visual experience that architects, designers, and dreamers can all enjoy. It's simple, it's powerful, and yes, it blows your mind. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to all upcoming architectural tutorials on AI and rendering. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.